So today we're gonna work on getting the fenders off, the headlight harness tucked and prepare to get the old GSR swap out so that we can put the new one in and break it in. Probably start with like 1,000 miles NA and then get the turbo kit on it. So check back in once we got some stuff taken apart. Thanks. Okay, so I got the front fenders, headlights, and starting to pull the harness out for the headlights. So I can show you where I'm at. Sorry about that. It's going to be horrible. But basically just got the fenders off, bumpers, lights, and right down here, see that will focus. One of the fender bolts were stripped in there, which I'm kind of surprised because I literally just put them on, but all the holes look super rusted. So that's why I'm doing this, to clean all this up and freshly paint it, get this core support, this bumper support, all that stuff will be refinished, and then we'll pull out this headlight harness here. We'll pull that back through to this side, take this bolt connector right here, stuff that underneath there and out this hole right here. There's just a little bit of a headlight harness tuck. Then I'm going to remove the cruise control and decide from there what else I'm going to remove. Probably almost everything. I don't know when I'll get to it, if it'll be in this video or next video, but get the motor out to make way for that new one over there and that mess. But basically get everything off the firewall so that I can scuff all of that, pull up the seam sealer here, pull all that out, and then put some body filler in it and paint it. So that's where I'm at right now. So I'll give a quick update once I get the headlight harness completely out and moved. So I'm gonna wrap it up tonight here. Was able to get a little bit further than I wanted, so far I got the headlight harness out, got the battery box out, got the cruise control out. So yeah, so tomorrow we'll be getting the fluids drained, the wiring harness pulled through, axles, and then axle shift linkage. Should be it. I can pull it out. So then after I pull out the current GSR swap, I will pull everything off the firewall, start grinding probably. Honestly, this car's got tons of rust. All you guys that are in Florida and Texas and California, you guys don't understand the pain of this with rusted bolts. I got a little stack right here of bolts that light's screwing it up. There you go. So those are all the different round size sockets pounded onto bolts to get them out, and then got a broken bolt here to extract or drill out. Got a broken bolt here to extract and pull out. So yeah, it's fun times when you're in the rust area to get all this stuff pulled out. But I'm going to be putting together a video of kind of the history of the car. I've had the car for 8 or 9 years now, I think. So I'm going to put together a history of it and kind of outline all the stuff that I've done to it over the years, and I've tried to find a ton of pictures, but I don't really have a ton, but I at least can voice over and talk through what I've done and why. And then so tomorrow I'll finish this up and get this out, and then start the prep for the primer paint. If you could, please like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know what you guys think. I'd really be interested to know if you guys would think a history video of a car would be cool, because it takes a lot of time. I already spent a ton of time just looking for pictures last night and yesterday, just going through 8 years worth of stuff to try to find a couple good ones to put in and to talk about like why I did what. But thank you for watching and take care.